Welcome back, guys. Today's video we will be baking pork spare ribs. Wow, grabe kalami. So sit back, relax, and enjoy watching until the end. So I just bought this spare ribs in nearby grocery, and now let's open it up. Let's check how huge these spare ribs are. Oh, look at that. So maybe this is 5 pounds or more. And then let's remove the excess water by wiping it with paper towel. And then let's check our dry marinade. We have the salt, black pepper, paprika, onion, garlic powder, and then the dried oregano. Now let's put some olive oil or any oil into our spare ribs so that when we apply our dry marinade, it will stick on it. So let's have to be generous enough when applying our dry marinade, because the more condiments or the more herbs we apply, the better the taste. And then once we're done with this side, we have to flip into the other side and again apply the oil and put the remaining dry marinade, just like that. And after finishing the marinade, you can now decide whether you set aside or you go directly into the oven. But for me, I'd like to sit maybe 15 to 20 minutes so that the marinade will be absorbed into the meat. And I preheat the oven. After I set it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, toast the spare ribs and cook for 1.5 hours. So let's check it. And then after 1.5 hours, here we go. Look at that. Wow. Perfect. Wow. Look at this spare ribs, guys. It's a little bit crispy outside and very juicy inside. Oh, sa Bisaya pa guys, kalami.